This is a 1996 Subaru Sambar KS4 mini truck. Just came out of the container from Japan. It's got 20,000 kilometers on the odometer and definitely looks like it. It's the KS4 indicates push button 4x4. It has a 6th gear that's accessible in 4-wheel drive, so you've got a crawling gear. Nice bed liner in it. Very clean paint. And all around quite impressive condition for a mini truck. You don't usually find them this nice with upholstery that hasn't been shredded or an interior that hasn't been destroyed, but this one is in spectacular condition. There's the shift knob and the push button 4x4. It's got a diff lock.